Hello and welcome to our series Asking for a Friend, and today we're talking about why is my urine bright yellow? The reason your urine is bright yellow is likely due to a B vitamin. Ask yourself, did you start a new multivitamin lately, or a meal replacement shake, or any other supplements? And is that when the bright yellow urine started? If so, it's likely related to riboflavin, where flavin in that word riboflavin actually comes from flavus, which is Latin and means yellow. It simply means that your body likely doesn't need the amount of riboflavin that you're taking, and so it's getting excreted in your urine, causing a bright yellow urine color. Now, medications might also cause this, so ask yourself, did you start any medications around the time of this starting? And if your urine is cloudy or bloody, that's a different issue, and you're going to want to check with your doctor on that right away. A normal color urine should be a light yellow, which means that you're drinking enough fluid. If it's a dark yellow, that probably simply means that you have to increase your fluid, and having light yellow urine is a sign that you are getting in enough water. Your urine shouldn't be clear. It shouldn't be absolutely clear. That might be a concern of overhydration, which can deplete the sodium in your blood, causing faintness and just not ideal. So I hope this was helpful. Bright yellow urine, what's the reason? Likely the riboflavin and the excess is getting excreted in the urine. If you are struggling with bothersome gut issues and you're interested in working with a functional medicine nutrition clinic to figure out the root cause of your gut issues and finally improve and get rid of them for good, then I'm going to link our free meet and greet calls below, and we'd love for you to set up a call with us for 30 minutes to talk about what's going on and see if we might be a good fit in helping you to finally feel better and getting more freedom back in your life. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we will talk again more soon.